Guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. The motive of I have created a new channel to teach to you how for a basically this channel I have created for a beginners, or we can say for a freshers who have recently passed their academics, or they have completed some course for the technology. So we will start here. We will learn from a beginning code by step. We will learn the languages like a PHP, React, Node, MongoDB, MySQL. These languages we will use the explore step by step for a so the beginners very easy to understand how they can learn, how they can achieve in their goals, and very easy to learn the languages and all. So we will start first with the PHP. Basically PHP is we can say simplest languages. If we know the loop, why what is the loop, while loop, do while loop, for loop, for each loop, then it's very easy to understand the PHP languages. Their syntax and things are very similar. So firstly, we will for the PHP we need to from locally set up you need to and software for we can say server. So local server. So for there is two way we can use. There is a WAMP server and XAMPP as well. So XAMPP is basically low. We can say with the it's take not too heavy XAMPP. So we will prefer to install a XAMPP. So installing a jam, firstly we will go to the Google, then find a XAMPP, download XAMPP. Then there are official website. Go to the XAMPP. Then as per the PHP, which version you want to download. Suppose we want to download PHP 8.1. So basically, you need to download here. Then download. Then it's automatically start to download. Yeah. Here it's start downloading, so it's take a few minutes, around 1 minute it will take to complete that. I have already installed XAMPP in my system. So here we have XAMPP. So but I will proceed for a step by step how you can install and then start the server and create a one PHP file to print hello, and their syntax how we can write in a PHP and their file extension and all. So let's download it, then we will start. Guys, please support to me. I will provide lot of videos regarding technical things for a beginner. So we will do very soon for that. Firstly we will cover almost with the PHP, then go with the MySQL PHP, with both with the same times. Basically database connectivity will follow the MySQL. Here when we install this XAMPP, then it's open a pop-up here. Install activated user account is in system XAMPP possibly restrict with the UCP provide install jam to C programming or deactivate UC. Basically I have already installed, so it's giving a warning. You can install the step by step, then it will be a next, then next MySQL and FileZilla and all, then next, then which folder you want to install you can change here, then see jam we have, then you need to next, then its selected folder is not empty. It says basically you have already installed, so it's through the warning. So I cannot install, otherwise my all database and codes will be goes away. So it's not a good thing. So we will cancel here. You can install and stop. Then this pop-up window, when you will install, then after this pop-up window will start. Basically here is Apache and MySQL, two things is required to learn. PHP when you are connecting with the database, then MySQL is mandatory, and my Apache is basically it's a local server for a running a PHP. So we will start the Apache from here. Then when we start the Apache, then its default port will be used, and similar way we can start MySQL as well. Then MySQL we will start, then it's started. When we go to the folders, then here C drive, then Jamp is a here, then htdocs. Htdocs is a, we can say, is a root path of the Jamp where we reside the folder. So we can create a one folder here, demo. Okay, we will start create a one folder here, demo. Then we can use any editor. VS Code is the best one, so we will prefer the VS Code to use that. Then we will select here demo folders here. Then we create some one file here like demo.php. Any php, when you are learning a php, then php every file should have an extension .php. Okay, then .php, where when you will start the project, you write something, then php open tags will use $php, then closing tag is question mark, then arrow, it's a closing tag. So printing something in a php, we will use echo. Suppose we print here hello world. Okay, semicolon, every line you need to put the semicolon, then it's treat as its line ended here. If you doesn't put semicolon, it's provide you a syntax error. So we will save and check that's what's print in a browser. So now we will go to the local path of the php, then it will be a local host, then your folder demo is there, then we will print here demo, then file is demo php, I print hello world. Suppose I told if we don't put the semicolon, then it will provide the error. If I have saved this, remove the semicolon, then I have run this, then it says hello world as well. But when we if I have only one line, if suppose we have another line with say something, say something, okay, we are not putting semicolon here. So if we run this, then it's provide a syntax error. Basically what's happened here, I told earlier if semicolon puts, it indicates that this line will be ended here. So I have put the semicolon, then it says now next line will start from 3 echo something. Now if we run this, then it will be a fine hello world say something, right? Basically new line, it's treat a single quotes. If you need to put second line, then you need to use br tag, html tags to print that. Okay, so for today I will end this short video with that. Tomorrow, from tomorrow, we will start with the few projects, how to submit a form, how to get the value, how to read the url data, how to use that. Then basically I will prefer to all beginners to use a W3 School PHP site. So here we you get the all the things, syntax, echo, print, data type, number, then form validation, all the things they have a very simple way they have provided. That's how you can use and all. I will add this link in a description as well. Then it will easy to access that. So thank you guys, support to me. I will provide a lot of video regarding this technical stacks and all. We will provide a new video soon. Tomorrow we will provide how we can create a form and submit that, and how to read the data when you are submitting a some form. Okay, thank you guys. Bye bye.